Hey, where are you going?
Yeah, we are going to the northeast again. I mean, today like 6 a.m. is our flight, and Banu's first experience, the flight experience. I told her like all the instructions, not to put the hands outside the window. And, she should stand up while taking off.
I have seen movies, man. I know.
We are so stingy to actually spend our money here because it's the masala dosa costs about 315 rupees. That's why we are actually going to the Guwahati because we're thinking that breakfast will be less costly. I know it from like when I reached Bangalore, so there actually breakfast are like very like it's not that costly. I mean not as costly as in Bangalore. So how are you feeling for the flight, first flight?
I don't know. I'll see how is it. I'm so excited.
Flight will jump when there is like a pothole roads or
I
off roads.
know. Turbulence, no off-road, no jumping.
Airport ಇದು runway ಅಲ್ಲಿ potholes ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಿಜ. Okay, to tell about the ride, I'll tell when there is a better audio. So anyway, we are actually joining Sharat Chennai on his Dominar Odyssey. Ride name is actually called Roof of the World Odyssey. It's on Bajaj Dominar. I think some of you guys already know Sharat Chennai. So he's riding all the way from Leh Ladakh, on the Nepal, Bhutan, and all the way. Now he's actually reached Arunachal Pradesh. So that's like the end of his ride. So he's calling like influencers for in each of these locations. So I'm joining the last leg of that ride, me and Banu. So we'll be riding together with Sharat. So 2 bikes on Dominar. So this is the first time I'm actually riding the Dominar as well. So really excited. I heard like a lot of good reviews on the the latest Dominar, that is I think 2019. So it's going to be fun. I'll give you more update on the road. I'll try to be as detailed as possible, and I'll give you like as much as information as possible. So if you ever plan, so this is like the less explored parts of Arunachal Pradesh because Tawang I have already done. So there are 2 other places which is like I heard from like a lot of places, Mechuka and Kibito. So probably we'll be going for that. That's all. See you on the flight. Thumbs button lagi like got it varavanga jeppara. Somebody go and wipe that from the outside. First flight.
Ours together.
It might be our last flight also. He asked like what happens if you piss in the plane, like there is a toilet. So I told her the facts, that you feel, it will simply like drop off the plane while going. Whenever we are actually in the ground somewhere walking, it feels like raining but nothing up there on the clouds, so that's what is getting sprayed. And now she's reclining back the chair. I told her like when the plane takes off they ask her to move back, but she's not believing. She's thinking I'm bullshitting. There is no wings now. Better view of the plane as well. So one more take off and one more take down. Sharath. I think he's already on the way, so we'll be, I think, waiting for him for probably we'll have our lunch because we didn't have a breakfast. And also one more thing, that if you are actually coming here, you need to show the proof that you are married, otherwise they don't give you a room. If I'm not wrong, it's kind of illegal to actually deny the room. I mean, for anybody who says, I mean, if they are not married or something. Yay! So evening walk. This is what you see is a Brahmaputra River. We just came a bit far from, I mean, you saw it in the map, and we came for a walk. It's peaceful, it's a bit different, not so clean, but it's okay. And the weather is nice. I think temperature is dropping down. Probably will reach, I think we'll have to reach hotel in some time because I think it's going to get very cold soon. I've been actually roaming around Dibrugarh city for almost afternoon, but it doesn't feel like it's actually any of the northeast country, I mean city at all. So it feels more like a almost like a South Indian cities. That's crazy. I have visited many of the northeast cities, but nothing feels like this. It's really nice, and you even get masala dosa all the places. This is the hotel we are staying. We roamed around, so we also met the riders who actually reached here. So I met Sharath and the Ashish, who's been riding with him for the last leg, and tomorrow he'll be handing over the bike to me. So the bike is all serviced and it's back in the, I think somewhere in the parking. We can actually go around and have a look. You'll get to see mostly on the probably tomorrow.
It's not here.